Okay, let's talk a little bit about Caesurae. Now, a caesura is any word break that occurs inside a foot. A word break that happens between feet is actually called a diaeresis. So let's imagine that a hexameter verse has 12 metrical spots, where each metrical spot is either a long or a pair of shorts. So we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whoops, there's a mistake. I have one too many syllables there. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Every line is going to have a bunch of caesurae, right? Anytime there's a word break, it's either going to be a diaeresis or a caesura. So let's scan a line. Sed, tamen, et, tauri, cer, weeks, oner, ra, tor, ra, tro. Okay? And just for now, we're going to mark off. So we've got a dactyl and a spondy and a spondy and a dactyl and then that last foot. So we have a bunch of caesurae, right? So there's one there, right? And there's one there, and there's one there, and there's one there, and there's one there. But not all caesurae are equally important. Most lines will have one main caesura, and very often that main caesura is going to come after the 5th metrical spot. So remember how we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think we're going to call that the main caesura. Let's try it again. Quas hac tor sen sorus erat posken te magistro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5. That is a caesura right there after 5.5. But I actually think the main caesura on this line is here after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the main caesura. Even though there's one after 5.5, that's where the punctuation is. That's really where the line falls into parts, right? Often if you have your main caesura not after 5, but after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you'll have another one after 3. So 1, 2, 3, right there in that second foot. Here's another caesura, okay? So this line here has one main caesura after 5. This line here has a caesura after 5.5, but I think really these two caesurae are the main ones, and this line really falls into thirds. Okay, let's do one more. Aut ubi muneribus nati sua munera mater. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think that's where the main caesura is, right there after 5. Okay? Okay, so I just said the main caesura usually comes in the 3rd foot after the 5th metrical sedes. Most often, if you have one of those caesurae after 5, it happens right after that first long syllable, and we'll call that a strong caesura. Okay, so if that 3rd foot is a dactyl or a spondy, a strong caesura would come there. Okay, So let's scan one and see. Quo me fixit amor, quo me violentius usit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, that's a good caesura. Okay, and that's a strong caesura. It happens right after that first long syllable. Sometimes, though, if you have a caesura in a dactyl, it'll come there in between the two shorts, and we call that a weak caesura. No, not that one. This one. This one. Aut ut apes saltus quesuos etolentia nocti. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5, and that I think might be the main caesura. Okay, that's a weak caesura. No, actually, I think this is another one of these ones that has its caesura after 1, 2, 3. So there's a caesura there. Okay, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, and then that's a nice caesura there. Okay, so we have a weak caesura after 5.5 in the third foot, but I think these two are actually the main caesurae. Okay, after 1, 2, 3, so they're in the second foot, and after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right, they're in the fourth foot. It's kind of a subjective process, figuring out where you think the main caesura is. Okay? Here's a whole bunch of examples that you can scan yourself of feet that have, I think, 2 main caesurae in the second and fourth feet after 3 and 7, rather than 1 main caesura after 5. Okay? I'll scan one, and then you can pause it and scan the rest yourself. Artecitai we lo querates re mo quemoventor. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I think that's there. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7. Right there. Okay. I like that because, the que and, so putting the caesura right before the and. Here's an even more clear example. Principio quodamar revelis reperir relabora. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a really clear example because you can see that is where the modern editor has chosen to put commas. And really often you'll find commas or other punctuation where the main caesurae in a line are. Okay? And that's it on caesurae.